Hey there, if you just picked up the Redmi Buds 8 Active, let me show you how to take control of your calls in under 2 minutes. First up, answering a call couldn't be easier. When you get a call, just double tap the touch-sensitive area on either your left or right earbud. Yep, that's it. Quick double tap and you're connected. Ready to hang up? While you're on the call, double tap that same area on either earbud again. The call ends instantly, no need to fumble with your phone. Now, what if you want to reject a call? Simple. Just press and hold the touch area on either earbud for about 2 seconds. You'll feel a little vibration or hear a confirmation tone, and the call is rejected. Speaking of the touch area, here's a quick tip. It's on the outer surface of each earbud. Make sure you're tapping that flat spot, not the side or the stem, for the best results. If you want to customize your controls or check your battery level, download the Xiaomi Earbuds app. It's super handy if you like to tweak your settings or keep an eye on how much juice you've got left. One last thing. If your hands are cold or super dry, the touch sensor might not pick up your taps as easily. Just warm up your fingers or try moistening them a bit for a smoother response. And that's it. With these simple gestures, you'll never miss a call or fumble to hang up again. Master your Redmi Buds 8. Active and stay connected the smart way. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Xiaomi tips.